So hey, this morning I'm heading to EVS Motors to get my car wrapped with PPF and also doing some tint, some heat rejection on the windows and the sunroof, and also the windshield, the front windshield. And it's a nice gloomy, cloudy day. It's raining a little bit, and it's St. Patty's Day too. So I didn't wear green, sorry. Got green somewhere. Don't know. Anyway, so I'm heading there and we'll be there shortly, and then to do some selection on the tint color and meet the crew. Just got to EVS Motors. Very nice large space. They have a huge selection of vinyls. Nice customer waiting area. Very bright even in this gloomy day. And this place has many wheels. I'm not a wheel person, so I don't know too much about rims or anything like that, but man, they have so much variety, and dang. Here we have the variety of different shades of tint. So this is the area where the staff helped me select my preference for the shade for tint. I just finally picked up my car from EVS Motors after a good PPF wrap, and also added some tint. Fully wrapped the hood, the sides, the bumper, the headlights, and the side mirrors. So I'm inside the car right now. We have PhotoSync 70, as clear as you can get it in the front. PhotoSync 55 in the sunroof. You know, the sunroof's really dark already, so it's already pre-tinted from the factory. And it has some sort of sun protection, but then also added PhotoSync 55, which has better heat rejection. PhotoSync 30 on the front windows. 55 for the back, and then the sides. I have no AC on right now, and I do feel some of the sun, but not too much. So shows that it's working pretty well. It's pretty nice. I do see some difference between the front and the back. This is PhotoSync 30 on a clear window, and PhotoSync 55 on a pre-tinted, factory tinted window. It looks pretty good. I mean, I still like some clarity and brightness in front, because you know, you don't want to really like limousine black it and, you know, complete privacy. You want to be seen a little bit, right? So the front is already wrapped, the side, and the side mirrors, the bumper and the hood. The back hasn't been wrapped yet, so I can't wait to get that done. And as you can see, the windows, the thing is, because the interior is white, so it gives a little bit of brightness, which I like. I don't want it to completely be too dark inside, because, you know, driving inconspicuously, you want to be seen a little bit. The windshield can still have clarity, brightness. Hey guys, I just showed you part one of my car being PPF wrapped, and it's only the front part. Part 2 is going to come next week, so hopefully you enjoyed the first part with the tent and everything, and we'll stay in touch soon, and I'll show you the rest whenever it's done. Alright, thanks. Hey, if you're in the market for a Tesla or any Tesla products, there's a referral code in the description link below. More videos come soon.